Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by selecting your best penalty taker. Pick someone with high PK and composure because they handle pressure. Once done, set a controlled run-up, short or medium, to manage timing and reduce misses. Make sure to aim with the left stick, then press and hold the shoot button to build power. Release when the marker hits your desired placement. This combination of player choice, run-up, and measured power directly affects accuracy and goalkeeper read probability. Now focus on execution. You want 20 to 30% power for precise placement or 50 to 60% for a firm strike that still stays accurate. Once done, aim slightly off-center to bait the keeper into diving the wrong way. Choosing a low corner often beats a mid-air dive. Also watch the keeper's pre-kick movement. If they shift early, adjust your aim in the final half-second to exploit the open side and increase scoring probability. Finally, if the keeper reads your shot, adapt. Change run-up angle or tweak power on the next attempt so patterns are unpredictable. Make sure to practice in training mode to face varied goalkeeper behaviors and build muscle memory under pressure. Once done, consider using a feint or stutter only when you are confident. It can force a premature keeper dive, but also risks mistiming. Troubleshooting tip: if you miss consistently, reduce power and simplify aim.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.